Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to remove Easy Home Screen and switch your Android phone back to the normal layout. This works for phones with a built-in Easy mode and also for phones using third-party Easy Home Screen apps. First, let's start with phones that have Easy mode built in, like some Samsung or LG devices. Begin by opening Settings on your phone. Next, scroll down and tap Display. Now look for Easy Mode or Easy Screen. Once you find it, simply turn it off. Your phone will automatically return to the standard layout. Next, let's move on to third-party Easy Home Screen apps. Go back to Settings, then tap Apps. After that, select Default Apps and open Home app. Here, make sure your normal launcher like One UI Home or Pixel Launcher is selected. If the Easy Home app is still active, you'll need to clear it. Go to Settings, then Apps, and find the Easy Home Screen app. Tap Storage, then choose Clear Defaults and Clear Storage. After that, uninstall the app completely. Once done, restart your phone to apply all changes. And that's it. Your Android home screen should now be back to normal. Thanks for watching.